Rendering from all cameras is ready. Let's see what the result looks like. This is a sequence of animation frames that is divided into different folders. Launch DaVinci Resolve. On the home screen, click New Project. Give the project a name. Create. Now I need to set up the project. Go to File. Project Settings. Change the resolution first. Choose 4K resolution from the list. Now I need to change the frame rate. Change it to 30 FPS, as this is the frame rate was chosen in the render settings in Unreal Engine. Save changes. Next, you need to add media files to the project. Go to the Media tab. Add a new folder to the list on the left. Right-click. This is the main folder where sequence files from cameras are stored. Now there is a new directory in the list. Open it. Find the folder with the first sequence. As you can see, there are many separate image files. You need to change the display type so that the video fragment is displayed as a single media file. On the right side, click on the three dots. Frame, display mode, change to sequence. Now the video fragment is displayed as a single file and I can play it. Drag and drop all video clips to master. Return to the Edit tab. All files are now available in the top panel. Drag the first file into the workspace. Play it. Playback is stuttering. This happens because the files are not yet optimized. Go to the Playback tab and activate. Use optimized media is available. Render cache. Smart. Change timeline proxy resolution to half. Now select the video clip, right-click. Generate optimized media. Wait for the optimization to finish. Start playback. Now the clip plays smoothly and without freezing. Drag other fragments and optimize it. Now that all the fragments are in the timeline, let's talk about color grading. Select the first fragment and go to the Color tab. On the right side there are nodes that are similar to the principle of working in layers. Now there is only one node. Create a new Corrector node. Right-click, Add node, Corrector. Move a node while holding down the Shift key to insert it into a command chain. Now with the help of curves I can adjust the clip fragment. Go to the Color Wheels tab. Here you can work with color correction. Another option is to use a ready-made LUT. This is a ready-made template with color correction settings. On the top panel, open the LUTs folder. Here are standard and optional installed LUTs. You can download LUTs from various resources on the net, or buy it if it makes sense. I'm not a big fan of LUTs, but sometimes it can be useful. DaVinci has pre-installed LUTs. Let's try to apply some. First, create a new correction node. Now drag the selected LUT onto the node. In key mode you can change the strength of LUT influence on the video clip. You can import music for video as well as video files. With DaVinci you can easily trim fragments. To cut a clip, drag the slider to the desired location and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B. Now compose a video from all fragments. For each fragment I made color correction and add sharpness. Let's move on to saving the final video file. Go to the Delivery tab. At the top of the screen there are ready-made templates for saving video. I will choose YouTube. Next, choose resolution. Encoding profile high. Specify the save path and file name. Make sure that the video borders are selected on the timeline. Now that everything is ready, click on Add to render queue. Render all. Wait for rendering to finish. Let's see the final result.